Another question, personal injury question. This is an interesting one because it was kind of bizarre to me. And the reason I say it's bizarre is because the question came in is, do I have to pay an attorney a deposit at the start of my personal injury case? I don't know if this gentleman, or I'm not sure it was an anonymous question, but I don't know if this person had gone to see a personal injury attorney and the attorney asked for a deposit. At our office, we don't ask for a deposit. We take it on a pure contingency, meaning that if you do make a successful, or we do make a successful settlement in the case and the client's happy and ready to move on, then we ask for our cost and our attorney's fees to be taken out of the settlement. But we advance all the cost, in other words. There are cases, or there are attorneys out there who ask for a cost deposit in case there's going to be a suit filed or something like that. So I can understand the person's dilemma, and maybe they went to an attorney and they said, hey, we'll take your personal injury case, but we're going to need some money down. I can understand that. That's not something we do at our firm, but I can understand it. So the normal, I would say the consensus is that most attorneys, or the majority, let's say 51% at least, don't ask for the cost to be paid up front or a deposit to be held, but I'm sure some do. And there may be very good reasons for that, and that should all be explained to you so you don't have to ask a question like this. I'm glad you asked the question because this may be on a lot of people's minds, and they may be wondering, if I do get hurt in an accident, and I'm going to miss work, how am I going to pay for this? How am I going to hire an attorney? And that's why I like the question, and that's why I said this is something that needs to be addressed on the air so that people understand what they're getting themselves into. And I'm a big believer in that. So great question. I really appreciate that.